I'm going to walk you guys through IXL. It's a new website that I recently got a membership for us to use through this period of e-learning. They have a lot of great activities in a wide range of different levels. So the first thing that you guys will do is you're going to go to IXL.com. Then you are going to come to the top page and you're going to type in your password or login and your password, and that can be found on the slide um, right here for click for username and password. So you'll click this to get your username and password. So for example, if I open it up, I will look for my student's name, and then you'll see the name and the password. Um, so I am going to show you, I'm going to log in under a student. So I'm going to log in under Connolly. Okay, so now I am logged in through a student. And it just, by scrolling down, you can see they have different subject areas from math all the way to social studies. They even have some Spanish on here for some of my students. I know that would be beneficial. So you can explore different areas depending on different grade levels. You can start wherever you feel like your student is. They just keep building as they go. So I'm just going to click first grade. Um, and then they give you a bunch of different lessons that students can do. Fill in the missing letters, complete the missing word, punctuation, question marks, exclamation points, even and odd. So they have a lot of different activities. If you want to choose a specific area, for example, if you want your student to be working on language arts, they can click the subject area and then scroll down and choose whichever grade level. Like I said, even if you start at a kindergarten level, you can work your way up. Some of these skills might be a good review. So you can start wherever you feel like your student is, and you just click see all 101 skills. So they have a lot of different skills. And then you can choose letter identification, lowercase, word recognition. So for example, if you click word recognition, choose two words that are the same. And then, like I said, it just keeps building from there. So that is how you log in to IXL and how you find different topics in different areas to work on, different grade levels. I think this would be a really great skill, and then I'm able to see um, where students are, what they're doing, how they're progressing. So I do think this is a great tool, and I would like everyone to try to use it if they're able to. If you have any questions, though, please reach out to me.